kocha nyako Ramogi. Wadhiane kaunti ma Migori. Migago mar thieth e kaunti ma Migori ogolo siem ne joma lal kod yedhe mowinjo chiw e osiptende mag kaunti no e sama thoth kuonde thieth onge kod yedhe. Ma timore ka pedha koro landi ne jogo ma uso yedhe mowinjo chiw nono ne jopiny e ute mag thieth. Apedha ni omiyo mak yedhe moko mane okwal e osiptal marongo otieno manyoro. Jatend migago mar weche mag thieth Migori Joshua Ngara wacho ni gibiro dhi nyime gi apedha kendo kawo okang' mager ne jokuo maluchore gi yedhe mowinjore otigo de ute thieth mag piny owacho kendo gilal godo mero.
To this store, and they were at the verge of being stolen. Now, our reinforcement officers were vigilant. They were able to intervene and stop the pilferage of drugs. In terms of commodities, we are also going to digitize the entire health system. We are trying to automate systems so that issues like what we are talking about here should end.
Pilferages are real, and when we come to our facilities, we can't even find drugs. So we caught these things, and we brought it to the attention of the county to come and deal with it. And since we got them, now we'll actually have a law to come and actually deal with it. We'll do thorough investigation first to find out the core root of this thing.
I also want to assure you that I'm here to ensure that all the checks and balances and safety nets are put in